Well, time then to bring on board Vijay Bhambwani, who is the author and CEO of BSPLindia.com, to share his perspective on Indian markets. Good morning, Vijay. To start with, would like to know what levels do you think we'll be testing on the Nifty today?
Yesterday we saw the Nifty seeking range expansion and equilibrium at lower levels, and today being the weekend session, I expect the bulls to be on the back foot and be fairly cautious about lending fresh support on the downside. Therefore, the probability of Nifty declining today intraday is also fairly good. Where the pivot levels are concerned, the bullish pivot for the Nifty spot for an intraday basis is fairly high at 5,885, and the bulls will have to surmount this significant resistance to be able to take it to a primary target of 5,900 and a secondary target of 5,915. I expect these levels to be fairly difficult to reach today. On the flip side, a likely scenario is that the Nifty will stay below the bearish pivot at the 5,875 levels in the spot segment, below which the Nifty might just test the 5,790 or maybe even 5,775 if the selling pressure is significant. We have seen the Nifty test the intraday swing low of 6th of December, and a violation of that level will basically mean trouble for the bulls.
And Vijay, what are the top two trading ideas you've identified?
Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to short ACC in the spot segment at marginal pullbacks to 1371 levels. I would hold these shorts with a stop loss at 1385 and expect to book profits at 1355 or into the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a short sell on Canara Bank in the cash segment at marginal pullbacks again at 466 levels. I would hold these shorts with a stop loss at 471 and I would expect to book profits at 458 or into the session, whichever comes first.
And from the FNO side of the market, what's the strategy?
In the futures space, I would want to short the December futures of Tata Steel at marginal pullbacks to 391 levels, holding these shorts with a stop loss at 394 and expecting to book profits at 386 or into the session, whichever comes first.
Thanks very much, Vijay, for being with us and sharing all those trading ideas.